Hey, what's up guys? Thank you very much for joining. By request, got a really fun song today. Cab Fare by Souls of Mischief. Really cool tune. Thank you very much for the request. Not one that I had heard of before. I'm sad to say that I hadn't heard it before. And basically this is a great hip hop song. It is based off of the theme song to Taxi. There are some interesting lessons out there on the theme song Taxi, but it's more of a classical feel. Not quite the same vibe as the hip hop version here. So we're gonna go over the 3 chords that we have, and we've got 3 different little lead sections to go over. So I'm gonna break all that down for you guys. There's some tabs up there as well. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Let's hop in. All right, so we'll start with the chords here real quick. So we've got an F minor, an A flat, and a B flat. Okay. Again, just some fun old bar chords here. If you're not familiar, for the F minor, you're gonna bar that first fret there. Ring finger, 3rd fret of the A, pinky, 3rd fret of the D. That's your F minor, and then your A flat. Go ahead and bar that 4th fret. Middle finger is going to go to the 5th fret here on the G. Pinky is going to be 6th fret of the D, and ring 6th fret of the A. That is your A flat. And you move that down 2 frets. You got your B flat. All right. So let's go over how this is being played here. So it's relatively standard, straightforward progression here. You'll definitely listen to the song to help you out with it. All I'm doing there at the end of that B flat here on the D. So 8th fret D string, we're going to pull off to the 6th and doing the same thing on the A. Have fun with that. Alright, and so go ahead and go. So we've got 3 kind of lead parts here. This is the first one that starts the song off. Okay. And again, listen to the song, you'll hear that at the very beginning. I'm going to put that tab up there, and I'll just kind of go through this a little bit slower, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm playing. I'm going to play along with that tab there. Okay, that's the first pass. This next piece here is what is played for the most part throughout the entire verse. So you've got one guitar or one guitar playing. If you're going to play this with 2 people playing guitars, you're going to have one guitar playing the chords, and the other person will be playing this little lead line underneath that. Sorry about that. Okay, again, tab up there. We'll go through this a little bit slower here. Okay. All right, so the last piece here, this comes towards the chorus section. All right, and last time, got tab up there. We'll go ahead and play through a little bit slower. Alright guys, that is Cab Fair, Souls of Mischief, as best as I've been able to figure it out, put it together. Very fun song. I highly recommend listening to it. It's a really cool tune. Really great sample using that taxi theme song. It's very cool stuff. So please leave any feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.